GTA, ready to cut through the real estate noise? Dev here with your LSV Daily Market Snap, your direct line to what's happening now. Today, we're taking a closer look at Willowdale. The past 30 days have brought some distinct shifts to this thriving community. What's the true pulse of the market here? Let's find out. For Willowdale's single-family homes, while sales volume is up, properties are still slower at finding buyers. But good news for sellers. The average price has seen a slight uptick this month, currently around $2,110,000. Now, for condos and condo towns, it's a dynamic tale. We're seeing more inventory, giving buyers more choice. While properties might be taking a little longer to sell overall, average condo prices have seen a monthly increase to around $1,040,000. Feeling the unique allure of Willowdale? This market is constantly evolving. Connect with your expert real estate pro at lifestylevideos.com. Stay sharp, stay informed, and stay ahead of the curve.